I have Kaden with me, and we are going to be trying this, what is it? Candy subscription box. This is the YumYum candy subscription box, and as you can see, Kaden's really excited to be doing this video with me. So we're going to open this up. So inside there is a card that says, "Thank you for joining YumYum Candy. We're excited to have you on board and we hope you enjoy this month's selections." So, and it says, "Candy makes you happy, YumYum Candy." Kaden's already looking at all of the stuff.
And picking it up.
Okay.
Ooh. I want some.
You want to try those ones first?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's put the box aside. So Kaden picked out these sour Razzles.
I love them. And not actually sour.
They're not actually sour?
No.
We'll see. So there is 5 different flavors: lemon, cherry, lime, orange, and blue raspberry. And then it says sour Razzles, then it's gum. So I guess they turn into gum after. So don't swallow the gum.
No. Does he eat it?
No, don't eat it.
What? Anything?
I've never tried these before. What color do you want?
One.
The blue one?
Yeah. This one.
Okay, leave the blue one. I will have the
Purple one?
sure.
But I can't. What do you do?
Ooh.
I need a full one? What? You give me a full one.
It's gum. Don't swallow it. It's sour, but it's a good sour. I'm not really a fan of sour candies, but these are pretty good. I like these. The flavor is really good. Chew it. Do you like it?
I mean this thing. How do I kill it?
With your teeth.
Yes.
Bite it. Yeah. Is it sour?
No.
Is it good?
Yeah. Not sour.
No? I do like these.
Like them.
So I have another little buddy here to join me. She wanted to be in the video too. So, yes. Alright, Kaden. What else should we pick?
I want pizza.
Pizza. So we have the E-Fruity Pizza Gummy Candy.
Gummy candy. I mean, eat them?
Sure.
Yeah. You having one? You having the orange one or having the red one?
Which one do you want?
A red one. This one. No, red one.
They're all the same.
No, that one. Yeah.
I've actually had these before, and I'm not too big of a fan of them. They're not like gross or anything. I just don't like them. So,
I
do you want this one?
I want an elf.
Okay, wait. Mommy's gonna pick one. I want to try some chocolate. So here we have the Cadbury Chomp. I have never heard of this before. Most of the stuff I've never heard of, so I'm excited.
Look, I don't really.
This is good.
I want to try some.
You do?
Yeah. One part.
Milk chocolate with a caramel center. Exactly what it says it is. It's very, very chewy. Okay, well, we're making a mess.
One part.
Right here.
Yeah.
It's though.
I have this.
Oh no. Put that back.
I love it.
Alright, pick something. Those.
Yeah. It's that I have them.
Yeah, but they're different. These are the Mike and Ike's root beer flavor.
I love it. I have one.
I don't think I've ever had the root beer flavored one of
Just
these.
have one.
Just have one.
Yeah. Don't have all of them. Save all of them later.
Okay. One for you. And one for me.
It's so bad.
Let's go. Mmm.
Can I eat them? Can you eat them? That's one.
Root beer float.
Can you eat them? Can you eat one?
Eat them. They're good?
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
Mm-hmm.
They taste just like root beer. Yum. Is it? Next, I want to try these milk bottles made with real milk. I don't know what these are. Milk bottle shaped gums.
Ew, that's gross.
I don't know. We'll see.
Oh. It's very chewy.
Looks like a little milk bottle.
Yeah. It is. Eat them? I mean, eat them?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
These are just weird. I don't like them.
I like them.
I don't like it. It's weird. It's
No.
milk gummies.
What?
It's weird. I don't like it.
No one to eat it.
Okay, you eat them then. Yeah, I don't like it.
I want to put that. This one, it's a stick. It's 1 second yummy.
Okay, this doesn't say what it is. It's just in like a plastic wrapper. But my guess is it's some sort of licorice, which I don't like licorice, so we're gonna give it to Kaden.
Yeah, that's right. It's not.
Yes, it's definitely licorice. You can have it.
What is
Well, I'm gonna save this part for later.
it? No. What? It's already cooked
Is it chocolate?
it. Yeah.
It's got some like brown stuff in the middle when I cut it open. That's really, really chewy.
I love it. You don't have them.
It's Smack It, Crack It, Banana Turkish Taffy.
Don't
And
eat
it's
it.
really hard. So what? I'm supposed to like...
No.
Watch out. Oh gosh, it's like bright yellow. Here.
It's very sticky.
Oh, here. It is very sticky. Mmm.
It wasn't different than bread.
It's very, very chewy, but it tastes good.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes like bananas.
Me to eat it?
I did eat it. I'm chewing it right now.
Yeah, eat it. It's chewy?
Very chewy. Yeah, you can eat it. Next is this Nestle Lion Peanut Chocolate Bar.
I love that. Yum, yum.
Mmm. This one's mine.
I want one.
Let's go.
I want one.
This one's my favorite.
It tastes like lemon.
Mm.
It's like chili strawberries.
No. Pop rocks.
What?
We got some Pop rocks. These are gonna be so funny. I don't think Caden has ever had Pop Rocks, and these ones are the cotton candy explosion flavor.
I love them.
I've still got chocolate in my teeth.
Don't eat it when I just feel it.
Pop Rocks.
Yay.
Okay, hand. Actually, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth and look up. Don't chew them.
What?
What's that noise? What is it? What are they doing?
I don't know. Hurry my tongue.
They're hurting your tongue?
Yeah. What are you doing?
Oh gosh. You can chew them. Hurry up.
What in my mouth? Behind my neck? It's going down. In my neck. It's over my neck here. It's falling down. It's falling down.
You want more?
No. Yeah.
Just wait, I'll do it.
Why hurting my tongue? This hurt my tongue is to kill it. A sucker! Ooh, a sucker! Big sucker in here!
Alright, so there are 3 things left.
Sucker?
We're going to try this. This is the Hershey's Mr. Goodbar milk chocolate with peanuts. So it's probably going to taste kind of similar to the Lion chocolate bar. Mmm. Good.
Help. I put the sucker. It's down in it.
Alright, so second last thing is the Super Blow Pop sweet and sour, sweet banana and sour apple. So this is like a ginormous sucker.
I love it. You sharing with me?
I'm just gonna taste it and then you can have the rest.
All of it?
Sure. Mmm. Sour.
Sour? I love it sour.
Bottom is good.
I want to taste it. Isn't that eerie? Eerie sour, not actually sour at all. It's like metal made. So now it's the green and rubble in it.
Alright, next time I'm definitely going to make sure Ari is asleep before I start filming a video. But last thing is this jawbreaker.
Not mine.
You have a sucker. We're going to save this jawbreaker for later. What is your problem? He really wants to try this jawbreaker. We'll save it for later and you can have some. Okay, I'll put it back in here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces of candy.
So you get 12 pieces of candy. I think they have different size boxes. You can either get I'm pretty sure that you can get different size boxes. There's a larger one with more pieces of candy, and then there's a smaller one with less. And they are a monthly subscription. So you get 12 different types of candy in your box, and I'm pretty sure that there is a smaller one and there's a larger one, so you can pick and choose which kind that you want. But this was really fun. I really enjoyed trying all of these different candies. Did you like them?
Yeah.
Were they good? Which one was your favorite? The Pop Rocks that went in your mouth?
No.
No, not those ones?
No.
So if you guys want to try YumYum candy subscription box, then I will leave the link down below. Thank you so much, YumYum Candy, for sending us this box to try. It was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to check out our vlogging channel. Bye! I have another little butter?
Butter? No, 2 kids.
2 kids.